Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu Norifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu achọrọ m ka m wetara ụlọ update ihe gbasara temple anyị na-alụ, the first ever a na-alụ ọdịnala temple n'ala Igbo. Ebe anyị na-alụ ya bụ na Anambra State, Oraifite na Anambra State. This temple is a place of worship, very unique. Then our power yabo ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission. The mission bo ịgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo wee ruo na nsọtụ ụwa dum. I'm the founder of the vision. I am a place of worship. I began now as administrative and temple for evangelism. I use many platforms. And I use social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and rest of them. The same name you get Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu. I use quasi television station known as Eziokwu TV, and also radio programs. Currently, I am going to 2 places, Abia State and Anambra State. Very soon, our intention booking another station from Enugu, Gakoba, Abia, and some part of Kogi and Benue. We have been trying our best to evangelize, to propagate. And now I'm not to them the benefit to go from all my teachings and vision. Manoga abu here baluru of ma. Mabona I finish this place of worship. Manoga baby nyaka when you are to turn them mad. Our vision is up to more evangelists, people gain nyaka neighbors who's other than that. Send also there to liberate a lot of people. Now, place of worship I know. Our intention to much work in September. I get a festival, annual festival I name for children of the temple. Yeah, on September 15. So our intention that within that period, September, na I get a roof, our place of worship. And our place of worship, twice well there, I actually pillar near the temple. According to structure and the engineer plan, and with the beam, you may go provision for every beam, and with beams garden, crossing beams. Got close to the linters. Then we make the roofing, cool senior. Then we make the aluminium. I send the proposal as in the aluminium spans actually and the estimate here we are estimating around 15 million naira. I need to solicit for support. It was in Betonia. It will work with this evangelism. I need to on the Nine, more game at Waka. Gas support to I, now for Chuku keep me Henine. A better. Now you. Na kahara bundini ne moge sinakaha well, this place of worship. I na to higher standard. What if you here na already to have go well stand at the test of time. I believe in equality. I when I only one will support why no the opening will support why may go the proposed place of worship. We have the Templar, the first ever. I know. I don't know what I do well. Actually reach him na WhatsApp number. He reach was him na 0805 78372. May they kind of scream. When I say Kachuko kepri mi hen negozie ka harabu ndị niile na-akwado anyị na ndị nwere mmasị kwado anyị ifo na anyị achieve these set goals maka ọdịmma mmadụ niile. Kachuko kepri mi hen negozie unu bido ugbu a ruo mgbe niile ebi ebi. Ya gazie.